Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rajendra's Erudite. Hope you are enjoying my video by watching. Today we will discuss about control and coordination in the human being. Okay, how the control and coordination occurs in the organism. Okay, let's see what is coordination, what is control and coordination, right? For example, if we are going to do something, then we need so many peoples. Okay, for example, to run a school or run a institution, so many peoples are needed for the run a school or run a institutions. Exactly, to complete a one work, there are so many organs are involved and they actually interact each other for complete a work. Okay, that is only we can say coordination. Coordination is the process through which two or more organs interact and complete the function of one another. Okay, you can understand. For example, if you are running, then your legs and your eyes at a time, your brain, they work to complete one work. Okay, so different organs they will involved to complete a one work. That is called coordination, control and coordination. Okay, controls and coordinations, this work is done, or this function is done by the sense organs. We know there are 5 sense organs present in our body. That is sense organ, if we say eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. These are the 5 sense organs that they will respond to the stimuli. From the external stimuli they will receive and they will drain into the brain. Okay, that means they will conduct the stimuli and they will impose a message through the hormones or through the neurons that will be received and they will send to brain. Okay, central nervous system. So in this way we can say the control and coordination is occurs. Okay, so move on to the next. Control and coordination can be done by the two systems, that is hormonal system and neural systems. Hormonal system means what? The control and coordination is done by the hormones. Using of hormones, the control and coordination can be done. Okay, you see hormones they are secreted from the endocrine glands. Okay, endocrine glands they will secrete hormones. These hormones they regulate different types of functions in the body. Next, neural systems. Neural systems, if we talk about the neural systems, then neuron, brain and reflex actions are included. Okay, these neurons they will impulse the stimulus, or they will receive the stimulus from the external factor and put into the brain. Okay, brain that they will analyze and interpret the action. Next, reflex action. Reflex action gives a value of survival. Okay, that means reflex action it will act immediately and take the decision immediately. Okay, so talking about endocrine glands, they secrete hormone. Then know what is hormone. Okay, what is hormone? Hormones are non-nutrient chemicals. That means they do not contain any nutrients, but they are non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular messengers. They will intercellular messenger. That means inside the cells they will act as a messenger and produced in trace amount. Okay, and produce a stress amount. That means how much the body is required, that much hormone is secreted from the endocrine system. Understand? Next, moving forward, the properties of hormone. What are the properties that is contain a hormone? Okay, properties of hormone. What is a hormone is contains the properties. Okay, they have low molecular weight. That means they don't have any much molecular weight. They are very light in molecular weight. Next, they can easily soluble in blood and water. Hormones are easily can dissolve in the water as well as in the blood. Okay. Next, they may act slowly or quickly. Hormones, they can act slowly or quickly. Okay. Next, their excess or deficiency leads to disorder. Obviously, excess secretion of the hormones, that is, or less secretion of the hormones leads to the different types of disorders. Like for example, growth hormone. Growth hormone is secreted from the pituitary gland. If it will secrete excess, then it is leads to the gigantism. That means a person will very tall. Okay, and less secretion of growth hormone, that is leads to the dwarfism. That means the person will be very short. In this way, these are the properties of hormones. Next, we will see where the hormone is produced. What hormones produce in which glands? Okay, talking about the pituitary gland. Okay, it is known as the master gland of endocrine system because the pituitary gland give command, or it will stimulate the secretion of different or many types of hormones in the pituitary gland. Okay, it is known as the master gland of endocrine gland, and as it is stimulate the secretion of many hormones like GH, growth hormone, and thyroid stimulating hormone. Next, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Next, prolactin hormone, etc. Okay, so the pituitary gland is known as the master gland because it will stimulate to secrete many hormones. Okay, and basically the growth hormone is secreted from the pituitary gland. What is that? Growth hormone. If there will be more secretion of growth hormone, that is leads to the gigantism. Gigantism means what? Tallness. The person who will be secrete more growth hormone, then it will leads to the very tallness. Okay. Next, hypersecretion of growth hormone leads to dwarfism. That means less secretion of growth hormone leads to the dwarfism, or we can say the person will be very short. Okay. Next, talking about the pineal gland. The pineal gland. In the pineal gland, melatonin hormone is secreted. It regulates the 24-hour rhythmic of our body and menstrual cycle also, and metabolism and normal wake up cycle. That means daily in the morning we wake up and we will go to bed. So these normal wake up cycle is regulated by the melatonin hormone. It is secreted from the pineal gland. Okay. Next, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretes the thyroxine hormone. Okay. Thyroxine hormone is secreted from the thyroid gland, and this thyroxine hormone regulates the iodine in the body and carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Okay. In the body, carbohydrate, protein, fats as well as iodine, these are regulated by the thyroxine hormone. Hyposecretion, that means less secretion of the thyroxine hormone leads to the goiters, Graves' disease, etc. Okay friends, so see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.
Yeah.